Alright, to get started, I added a video and an audio on my timeline, and now I'm going to be showing you how to add the fade effect for your video. And first of all, you got to go to your effects panel and search in for the fade. Under fade, you will have different types of fade presets, but make sure you go to your audio and you will find 3 different types of fade presets which you could use in your video. And now you just got to simply drag your preset to the end of your audio, so you will have the fade effect. And if you want to adjust the duration or have it in a lengthy duration, you just got to simply select it and adjust it to your likings. If you want to have a set duration, you just simply got to select it from here, or you can head over to your FX controls panel and adjust the duration by either dragging it or selecting and adjusting your duration accordingly. And there you go, fade effect will be added. And I hope you benefited from this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.